Grand Rising traders, it is 7:11 a.m. August 11th, Sunday. And as you can see, I just signed in to my Pionex bot account, and they currently have a promotion going on. If you're a new user, you can register and possibly get 200 USDT. Don't know exactly how that promotion works, but usually there's a date up here that'll let you know when the promotion ends. However, I don't see one now, so I'm going to go on in and check the bots. Oh, by the way, if you are a new user and you join, you are going to have to make a deposit. I think the minimum, and don't quote me on this, is like $100, maybe. I'm not really sure. Be 100% honest, because when I created my account, I created it with over $100. So let's go in real quick and see what we got going on. Well, the bots, at least the USDT bots, seem to be going pretty good right now. They're all green. I've got my Solana bot over here ready to be set up. Let me check real quick to make sure that I didn't already set this up. Go back to the overview real quick. Okay, yes, I did. Or no, that's my regular Solana bot. Okay, so I didn't set up the Solana bot last time. I'm now 65% free. I think it was in the 70s before. So let me get back over here. Oops. To my bot trading. Oh, I did set it up. Okay. I don't remember setting it up. I knew I wanted to, and apparently I did. So apparently I used little over $1,000 to set this bot up. As you can see, it's doing great, which means down at the bottom we should see another green bot, the Solana BTC bot, also doing quite well. Can't complain. The other two bots, or I should say the other three bots, or four bots actually. I have 6 bots running right now. So my doggy coin USDT isn't doing that great. It'll probably get shut down. BTC USDT, I'm going to leave that bot running regardless, simply because it's a Bitcoin bot. And this is another BTC USDT bot, only this is on the infinity grid, which means it has a almost endless grid. Almost endless. I believe the low side, yeah, there it is right there. The low side is 10,000, which we will probably never drop down to. And the high side of the grid is 100,000, which everybody is pushing for Bitcoin to get to. So I'm good with the grid. There's 1,000 of them, obviously. This one only has 120 grids, and you can see the range is smaller, much smaller. However, it's not a USDT bot or a grid bot. So, like I was saying, the Solana USDT bot seems to be looking good right now. It has a lot of orders yet to be filled, which is fine. I have no problem with that. Has more buy orders ready to go, but right now we're working on it's trying to push its way back to buy again. We'd rather see it sell. when it finishes selling, or when I cash out of this bot, I'm not cashing out in USDT. And that's what it's telling you that the bot is earning. However, if you don't cash out into USDT, what you've done is you've stacked a bunch of Solana. And that's the actual goal here. The actual goal is to stack my Solana, not my USDT. I could care less about USDT if I'm going to be honest. I'm not really looking at anything that's pegged to the US dollar. I don't care about those coins. Stable coins, couldn't care less about them. There's not enough volatility in them to make money, but of the stable coins, USDT is most likely the most volatile. I would have to check that to make 100% sure, but just from watching the market, I would say, yeah, between all the stable coins, USDT is the most volatile. And if I remember correctly, the last time I checked, USDT also had the highest swing high when it comes to profits. Like, it can go over $1 and stay over $1 for X amount of time. And that's where you can actually make a little bit more money on a stable coin is with USDT, because it's not always going to be pegged right at $1 or 99 cents. Sometimes I think I've seen it as high as $1.35 in the past. So I'm going to stick with my opinion that yes, out of all the stable coins, USDT is the most volatile. It's also most likely the most used. Definitely, I would say it's the most traded against. Outside of that, let's go and look at the charts, people. So, on the Bitcoin USD chart, 1 hour, we are in a long string consolidation between the old swing high and the 60K trigger point. We have a resistance right above us here, even after we break that swing high. As you can see, we broke it here, broke it here, broke it here, and there's a wall of resistance stopping us going from getting to 65K at this point. Now, if we look backwards in time, I think it was back on July 14th or 13th or 14th of July, we touched 70K at like 5 or 6 a.m. And since then, after touching that 70K, we took a 20K dump. And we're in the process of regaining 10 of that 20K. Okay, as long as we're hovering right around 60 right here, we've gained back 10 of the 20K that we dropped since, like I said, July 13th, 14th, right in that area. I'd have to look it up to be 100% sure which day, but I know it's one of those 2 days or right there in that week. Let's put it like that. So, what am I expecting to happen? I'm expecting this resistance to stay strong and us not break through it anytime soon. I'm also expecting the swing highs resistant, or the old swing high rather, resistance to maintain itself. That's why we're in the consolidation right now. We burst through the old swing high here, forcing a reset of the Fibonacci. But then what it did is it came back down and it started bouncing between the old swing high and the 60K trigger point, creating a long string, very short range consolidation. And that's all well and good. As we all know, there's only 3 stages of the market: consolidation, expansion, and trend. So only 2 things can happen after this consolidation. We're either going to go into expansion or we're going to go straight into trend. The longer we stay in consolidation, the more likely we are to go into that trend. When did this start? Okay, August 8th. It's 1700 hours. That would be like 5 o'clock. And here we are in the 7 a.m. hour, and we're still at August 11th, and we're still in that same consolidation. So I expect this maybe to stay here another day or two. However, I'm starting to see some separation on the impulse MACD down here, which could mean, and that separation is bearish, by the way. So that could mean that we're going to have a bearish breakout from this consolidation. We'll have to wait and see. But until that point in time, my head is getting a little stuffy right now, so I'm gonna sign off. I'll see you guys back here again tomorrow. This is the Dark Sage, signing out. Peace.